This is a quick energy clearing that you can use in the morning or in the evening at the end of your day to clear other people's energies and anything that you might have picked up that is not beneficial for you. Allow yourself to get in a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or laying down, and cross your arms and cross your legs. And with every inhale, imagine this golden healing light spreading to every part of your body, every muscle, every cell. And with every exhale, you begin to let go of all the thoughts, ideas, worries, things that you have to do. Let it all go. And allow your breathing to slow down, making your exhales twice longer than your inhales. And with every breath in, imagine this golden healing light spreading from your head to your shoulders, to your chest, all the way down to your hips, to your arms, to your legs, relaxing your entire body. Beautiful. So continue with your deep breathing through your mouth. I ask to connect with your spirit guides, and I ask to clear all of vibration frequencies, other people's energies, all non-beneficial energies from your aura, energy field, and your home, transmitting to love and light for all time frames. Null dimension starburst. So take a deep inhale in. Exhale, let it all out. Good job, good job, good job. With the assistance of your spirit guides, I ask to remove all psychic cords placed on your chakras, sending love and forgiveness to the source. One more time, take a deep inhale in. Open your mouth, let it all out. Good job. You should feel the release in every part of your body. If you need to take another deep inhale, go ahead. And when you exhale, open your mouth and let out all the things that no longer serve you. All the worries. Beautiful, beautiful. With the assistance of your spirit guides, I ask to heal all of your chakras and the energy field around all of your primary 7 chakras and all the other chakras above your head, below your feet. Beautiful. Simply allow the energy to do its thing. You're doing just fine. With the assistance of your spirit guides, I ask to bring all of your chakras in the optimum functionality, spin in alignment with each other for all time frames and all dimensions, starburst. Beautiful, beautiful. I ask to raise your self-love, self-worth, and self-value to 100% for all time frames. Starburst. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good job. I ask to bring your heart and brainwave harmony to 100%. Good job, good job, good job. I ask to raise your vibration higher for the highest good of all. ask to raise your biofield alignment to 100%. I ask to raise your love index and your joy level to 100%. Spreading the joy to every muscle, every fiber, every cell of your body, activating every one of your cells. Beautiful. Allow your face to smile. It looks beautiful on you. I ask to raise the alignment between your inner child, your adult, your higher self, and the divine to 100%. I ask to raise your life force and your confidence level to 100%. I ask to raise your physical body's health to 100% for your highest good. I ask to raise your relaxation level to 100%. And now that we made space, I ask to fill in the void with your authentic energy and the purest energy of your soul. Take it all in. Bringing all the scattered energy back into your body. And I ask Mother Earth to ground only your energy in with the column of light coming from the crystalline center of Earth, grounding only your energy in, clearing, purifying the rest. With the assistance of your spirit guides, I ask to fill you up with any other energies and codes you need at this time. To feel good, to feel relaxed, to feel home in your own body. Beautiful. If you are drifting into sleep, allow yourself to rest. If you are beginning your day, simply repeat 3 times, I am grounded, safe, and alert.